Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English speaking podcast. I am happy you are here today. Speaking English feels hard sometimes, but everyone can learn to speak well with good practice. Today, we will learn easy ways to practice. These methods work for all students. Are you ready to improve your speaking? Great. Let us start practicing English together now. Practice speaking alone first. This feels safe. No one can hear your mistakes at home. Look in the mirror and talk. Describe your day. Tell yourself what you see. Talk about your feelings. Say, I am happy or I feel tired out loud. Make it a habit. Speak to yourself 10 minutes every single day without stopping. Pick easy books or news stories. Read them out loud to practice mouth movements. Start slow and clear. Do not rush. Focus on making each word sound right. Record yourself reading. Listen back later. You will hear what needs more work today. Read the same text many times. Each time you will sound better and clearer. Watch English movies and shows. Listen to how actors speak each word and sentence. Pause the video often. Repeat what they say. Try to copy their voice exactly. Pick one actor you like. Copy their way of speaking. This helps your accent. YouTube has many English teachers. Find one you like. Practice with their videos daily. Record yourself speaking every day. Start with simple sentences about your day or feelings. Listen to your recordings later. Notice where you make mistakes. Practice those parts more. Compare old recordings to new ones. You will see how much you improve over time. Save your best recordings. When you feel sad, listen to them. You will feel proud. Find people online who want to practice English. Talk with them every few days. Start with easy topics like weather, food, or hobbies. Keep conversations short at first. Do not worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. The goal is to keep talking. Make friends with your practice partners. This makes speaking more fun and natural for you. Pick simple English songs you like. Listen many times until you know the words. Sing along with the music. This helps your mouth learn English sounds and rhythm. Start with slow songs first. Then try faster songs when you feel more confident. Singing makes practice fun. You will not feel bored when you practice this way. Look for English clubs in your town. Many libraries have free conversation groups weekly. Online groups also work well. You can practice from home with people everywhere worldwide. Listen more than you talk at first. This helps you learn from other people. Ask questions to keep conversations going. Say, "What do you think?" or "Tell me more." Practice ordering food at restaurants. Say, "I would like chicken, please," many times clearly. Practice asking for directions. Say, "Where is the bank?" or "How do I get there?" Practice introducing yourself. Say, "My name is and I am from," until natural sounding. Practice phone conversations. These are harder because you cannot see the other person talking. Speak English for 5 minutes every day. Set a timer. Do not stop talking. Increase time slowly each week. Start 5 minutes, then 10, then 15 minutes daily. Write down new words you learn. Practice saying them correctly many times each day. Celebrate small wins every day. Did you say something new? Great job! Keep going forward. Practice difficult sounds that your language does not have. Ask teachers for help. Record problem words many times. Listen and repeat until they sound correct to you. Ask friends to tell you when you make mistakes. Do not feel bad about this. Work on one sound at a time. Do not try to fix everything at once. Remember why you want to speak English well. Think about your goals every single day. Do not give up after bad days. Everyone has hard days when learning new things. Find English content you enjoy. Movies, music, or books make practice more fun always. Practice with friends who encourage you. Avoid people who make you feel bad about mistakes. Speaking English well takes time and daily practice. But you can do it with patience. Use these methods every day. Mix different types of practice to stay interested and motivated. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You are getting better every single day. Thank you for listening today. Start practicing right now. I believe in you completely. Good luck!